In this video, I'll show you where your draft videos are saved inside YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first method, I'm going to use the YouTube app on my mobile device. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And now I'm on the home page of YouTube. And now from here, I'm going to click the little plus icon down below. I'm going to create a short video. Alright, I'm going to click record. Just going to record this for a few seconds. Now I'm going to stop, and now I'm going to get out of this. And now if I open up the YouTube app again, like so, and if I click on the little plus icon again, it will say continue your draft video, starting again with discard your last draft. So if I click continue, it will continue on with my video from previous. So I'll click continue, and now I can start recording again. Another way to find draft videos is by using the YouTube Studio app in your mobile device. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it and assign into your account, the same account that you sign into the YouTube app. Now I'm on the dashboard inside my app, and now from here, what I want to do is click on content. And then once I'm inside the content, I'm going to click on visibility. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on draft. Then I'm going to click on apply. And then all your draft videos will appear here also.